Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at Southwire. This is an extension cord, very durable, great for outdoors, and you're going to want to pick one up today. So with thousands of reviews, this thing is absolutely fantastic. Available in both 50 and 75 foot options. A nice aspect of it is this bright yellow. You can see it anywhere in the yard. This thing, you're never gonna lose this one. You're gonna know exactly where it is. Another nice aspect, and we'll show an up close overlay here in a moment, but when it is plugged in, it is a bright color. So that way, if it's at night, you're working with any kind of Christmas lighting, anything like that, it's easy to find exactly where the end of the cord is. Again, available on Amazon, nearly a 5-star rating, and extremely durable. This thing has tremendous amount of coating, very safe, great for outdoor use. You're not gonna have to worry about it. Order this one today, you absolutely won't be disappointed. We've been using this one for a couple years now. It is sturdy, easy to wind. Some of the more flimsy cords, they just don't wind so well. They kind of get, pinched and cinched. This one, no issues at all. So go ahead and order today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and say it with me, folks. Adios, amigos.